Hello friends, if you need WHM reseller panel, WHM reseller hosting, you visit on topihosting.com and you buy as per your need this plan. Okay. Currently I visit in demonstration panel and I watch what is the WHM reseller panel and how it is work. Okay. So currently I type whm.topihosting.com. Okay. And his credential is here. I copy and paste. Okay, this is a WHM reseller hosting and I see our all cPanel on this location and I click on list accounts, and if I create any cPanel, I click on create a account and I put up the any domain name, my first domain.com. Okay, as per your domain you will be type your customer domain name and it create username automatically and you generate the password. Okay, and you put up the customer email ID. Okay, I put up our email ID and I selected the plan. As per your need you will be create your plan. Okay, currently I after this session we also provided how to create your plan by WHM. Okay, and currently I create one plan and I selected the 1 GB plan and simply I create. Okay, wow, his cPanel has been generated. Okay, and his credential is also here. If you require this credential to your customer, kindly share by WhatsApp mail also, and automatic mail is also delivered on your mail, on your customer mail. And currently I log in this cPanel and I click to go to cPanel button. Wow, his cPanel has been created. Okay, I also generate as a WordPress something website. Okay, and this cPanel has been created. So easily you sell your cPanel to your customer and your customer will be log in your cPanel by your domain also and my domain also as per your need. Okay, and simply you will be share the credential to your customer, he will be logged in. Okay, so start immediately your hosting business, and if you are IT professional you buy WHM reseller panel and you create the cPanel to your customer and he will be provided charges directly to you. Okay, is not required any service by any hosting company, you also provided. Okay, thank you very much and kindly watch our next video. I provided the tutorial regarding for the WHM reseller panel, how to manage your reseller panel. Okay, and you subscribe my channel for next video. Thank you very much.